Ne joriwore gi jo-Kenya mamoko e odiechieng' aluora mong'ere kaka Mazingira Day kanyo giwuotho kilomita 30 e apaya manyien mar Dogo Kundu. Jok manoyuore wuoth makamano okwayo jopiny modak e ging apaya manyien-no mondo oket ler mowinjore e aluora ka gipidho yien mabiro konyo e geng'o midhiero moko motudore gi kethruok mag lowo. Kembe matiyo gi aluorano bende okwa mondo omi thuolo mokwongo wach mar bero aluora ka nyaka sani malo kembe 1,000 oseoro kwayo madwaro tiyo e aluorano.
The idea was today to celebrate the Mazingira Day, not only by planting, by walking, so that people can reduce their carbon production. We try to encourage people to walk their place of work, and this part of it, try to create that culture of walking. So we are celebrating. People have seen a nice view, and people have seen where they can come and plant a lot of trees, especially mangrove tree, along the Dogo Kundu bypass.
We are advocating for the MPs and other leaders to participate in such walks because it is healthy and it motivates the constituents and the county people at large to like this thing because this is healthy and it's a way of keeping away sicknesses such as obesity.
The doctor once checked my heart rate and my heart rate was really low. And when I told the doctor that I walk a lot, the doctor told me then, your heart rate is that of an athlete because you are very active.
We should take care of the environment because it's not about us, it's about the future. Many years to come, we found this world and this planet doing well. We should leave it the way we found it in a better place for our future generations. So we should look for our environment, plant many trees, and make sure